everyone. In this video, I walk you through a Python project that implements 6 different numerical methods to find roots of a function. Those methods are the dissection method, incremental search method, Newton-Raphson method, false position methods, and second method. So now, in the upper part of this Python code, as you can see, are the imports used for import libraries used for GUI, symbolic math, plotting, and numerical computing. So now let's move forward to incremental method function. In the method function, start from an initial guess, XO, and take small steps, delta x, then evaluate f of x 0 and f of x 0 plus delta x. If a sign change f of x changes between these points, a root lies between them. If not, keep stepping forward until a sign change is detected or the maximum number of iteration is reached. Then, let's move forward to bisection method. Bisection method works only when the function changes sign between xl and xu. Calculate midpoint xr is equals to xl plus xu divided by 2. Checks the sign of fxr. Replace either xl or xu based on where the sign change remain. Repeat until the error is within tolerance. Now, the false position method. Like bisection, but instead of midpoints, find the root, estimate xr using a straight line between the endpoints, and it uses this formula. Update xl or xu based on the sign of fxr. Here. Now let's move to Newton-Raphson method. Newton-Raphson method needs an initial guess. Uses the formula of xn plus 1 is equals to xn minus f of xn over f of prime xn. Requires computing the derivative f prime of x. Then, now the second method. The second method, similar to Newton-Raphson, but does not require derivative, uses initial guesses XO and XL, updates with using this formula. It uses this formula. So now let's start running the incremental method. So as you can see, it found 2 roots, and this is the iteration table for the incremental method. Now let's move to bisection method using the same function and inputs. So the same with incremental bisection method. Has 2 roots and the iteration table. False position method. The roots you found in false position using the same function and inputs. its iteration table. Then a Newton-Raphson method has the table, has the iteration table, and then it has roots. Lesson stacking method and its iteration table. And that's all. Bye bye.